how to move alliance assembly point in Lastra. Go ahead to Lastra and then first of all make sure the alliance feature is unlocked. So once you have unlocked the feature, you'll simply go ahead to this world section at the bottom right, and then first of all you will make sure that you are the admin or you are the leader or the owner of your alliance. So basically it's mine alliance, so you have to be the leader or the admin of that alliance. And then from here you can see your assembly point. So if you can see it is currently located at this place of the base, so I can simply press any other location where I can see teleport or set assembly point. So if you press there, you can see assembly point is the priority relocation spot for alliance members when they are newly spawned or when they respond to call to assemble. So that's how you do it. Simply press and confirm, and then your alliance will get teleported, or your that will be your alliance midpoint or your alliance assembly point. So hopefully this video helps. It's an easy process. Thank you.